Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Dan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Partnership Intermediary Agreement, or what I call a PIA. What is a Partnership Intermediary Agreement? A Partnership Intermediary Agreement is a contract, agreement, or memorandum of understanding with a non-profit partnership intermediary to bring together academia and industry on behalf of the government to speed up tech transfer and licensing. Definition: Partnership intermediary means an agency of a state or local government, or a non-profit entity owned in whole or in part by, chartered by, funded in whole or in part by, or operated in whole or in part by or on behalf of a state or local government, that assists counsels, advises, evaluates, or otherwise cooperates with small business firms, institutions of higher education or educational institutions that need or can make demonstrably productive use of technology-related assistance from a federal laboratory. What is the purpose of the Partnership Intermediary Agreement? The main purpose of a Partnership Intermediary Agreement is to help small businesses, universities, and the federal government work together for their own good. What can a Partnership Intermediary Agreement be used for? Some of the things that PIA can do are: patent and intellectual property IP management, helping with the creation and execution of licenses, as well as the creation or management of patents and the IP portfolio as a whole. Technology and market research, conducting technology and market landscape or forecasting studies to find out where certain technologies are going in the future and to give a broad understanding of how a particular technology domain or industry started and how it has grown. Collaboration spaces, providing physical spaces near the DoD entity that serve as a place for researchers and businesses outside of the DoD to work together. Collaborative events, technology demonstrations, showcases, industry days, design sprints, hackathons, workshops, and other events. Prize competitions, planning and running prize competitions, research, development, test and evaluation collaboration agreements, supporting the development, coordination, and problem-solving activities that go along with RDT and e-collaboration agreements. Support for small business innovation research and the small business technology transfer programs by doing technology scouting to find and recruit small businesses for these programs. Business incubation, helping to make DoD technologies available to the public or adapting commercial technologies to meet DoD needs. Technology access, services will help the private sector get access to new technologies. For more uses, visit the webpage. How do you set up a Partnership Intermediary Agreement? A contract or a memorandum of understanding can be used to start a PIA. The contracting office of the agency and a warranted contracting officer may be involved, but they don't have to be. The funding can come from either general operating funds or money for technology transfer. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Partnership Intermediary Agreement. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.